Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I want to talk about a topic that's tough but important: what to do after being fired. Whether it's unexpected or something you saw coming, losing a job can be a blow to your confidence. But trust me, it's not the end of the road. It's actually an opportunity. Step 1. Give yourself time to process. The first thing you should do is take a moment to process what happened. Don't rush into your next steps right away. Reflect on what went wrong, and if possible, get feedback from your employer. This isn't about blaming yourself, but understanding how you can improve moving forward. Step 2. Update your resume and LinkedIn. Now that you have the time, it's crucial to update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Highlight your skills, projects, and the achievements from your previous role. Make sure you're presenting your best self. This is what future employers will see. Step 3. Network, network, network. This is the time to reach out to your network. Don't be afraid to let people know you're available for work. Talk to former colleagues, mentors, and even family and friends. You'd be surprised how many opportunities come through the people you know. Step 4. Consider upskilling. Getting fired can be a chance to evaluate your skill set. Ask yourself, are there any new skills or certifications that could make you more competitive in the market? Take courses, attend workshops, and even work on personal projects to stay sharp. Step 5. Stay positive. I know it's easier said than done, but stay positive. Remember, many successful people have been fired at some point in their careers. It's not a failure, it's a stepping stone. Use this time to reset and refocus on what you really want in your career. Step 6. Start applying again. Once you're ready, start applying for jobs. Tailor each application to the specific role, showing potential employers why you're the right fit. Use your network to get recommendations and leverage online platforms to find opportunities that match your goals. Step 7. Self-care is essential. Finally, don't forget to take care of yourself. Exercise, meditate, or engage in hobbies that bring you joy. A balanced mind will help you stay resilient during the job search process. Conclusion: being fired isn't the end. It's just the beginning of your next chapter. Take the time to reflect, build up your skills, and approach your next opportunity with confidence. Remember, you've got this, and sometimes the best things come after a setback.